So how you can summarize a PDF document using Google Bard AI tools. So first of all, let me clear, it's Gemini now, which was known as Bard, but now its name is Gemini. So Bard was an older name. Before releasing the Gemini, they kind of like integrated with that. But let's start it by clicking on Chat with Gemini. Click on Use Gemini, then click on Continue. Now let's start by entering our prompt. So simply type summarize this PDF file in 10 bullet points. Then you're just gonna need to open up the PDF and copy the link and simply paste it just like that. Click on submit, and this will gonna take few minutes, and there you have it. It has successfully generated 10 bullet points for my particular PDF. So that's the easiest way of how you can summarize a PDF using Gemini or Bard AI tools.